From simple beginnings, endless numbers and countless varieties of life forms have evolved and populated the Earth. For 140 million years prior to the Cenozoic era, dinosaurs held dominion over the land. Mammals existed too, but they were small and not particularly abundant. As the dinosaurs perished, the mammals took center stage. Even as mammals increased in numbers and diversity, so too did the birds, reptiles, fish, insects, trees, grasses, and other forms of life. The fossil record gives us a fascinating glimpse into the Cenozoic era. Without fossils, we would have no way of knowing that ancient animals and plants were any different from today's. With fossils, we discover that an extraordinary procession of creatures lived in North America and around the world. Species changed as the epochs of the Cenozoic era passed. Those that could tolerate the changes in the environment survived. Those that could not were doomed to extinction. The fossil record reveals the story of both. Yet, the study of fossil remains, paleontology, raises many questions. Paleontologists, scientists who study fossil life, look beyond the fossils and ask new questions about the types of environments these plants and animals lived in and how they adapted to climatic changes. These scientists study how different groups of plants and animals interrelate and how they have changed through time. Fossils are studied in the context in which they were found and as one element among a community of organisms. Every fossil can serve as a